Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your system. Enable virtualization in BIOS and confirm Windows 11 64-bit. Next, download the Flutter SDK and extract it to C/src/Flutter, then add that folder to your path so commands work globally. Install Git and enable developer mode for sideloading apps. Also install the Windows 10 or 11 SDK and necessary build tools. Once done, open PowerShell and run Flutter Doctor. This gives a checklist of missing components you'll resolve next. You now set up the development tools. Install Android Studio for Android work or Visual Studio 2022 with desktop C++ workload for Windows desktop apps. Configure the Android SDK and AVD Manager, then create a virtual device using Google APIs for reliable testing. Make sure Android Home and Platform tools are on your path. For Windows builds, enable desktop development with C++ and UWP components. After installing, run Flutter Doctor. You finish by creating and running your app. Run Flutter Create My App, change into the folder, and execute Flutter Run to launch on the default device. To target one device, use Flutter Run D device ID, and for production, create a release with Flutter Build App or Flutter Build Windows. Make sure to test on both emulator and a real device. If something breaks, run Flutter Clean, then Flutter pubget, verify your path, and rerun Flutter Doctor. That single troubleshooting step resolves most configuration issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.